ES120 Earthstone Ming Porcelain is a premium quality porcelain clay crafted from a time-honoured recipe. This distinguished clay body produces a high white, translucent finish, perfect for those seeking to capture the elegance and refinement of traditional Ming porcelain. Renowned for its exceptional purity and workability, ES120 is an ideal choice for both throwing and modelling, allowing artists to bring delicate and intricate designs to life with ease. With its high plasticity and smooth consistency, this porcelain is easy to shape and manipulate, ensuring a flawless finish for both wheel throwing and hand building applications. ES120 fires between 1220 and 1280 degrees Celsius and is ideal for creating delicate and detailed pieces. ES120 Earthstone is perfect for functional tableware, decorative art or intricate sculptures. It provides the superior quality, translucency and clarity needed to elevate your creative vision, embodying the classic beauty of Ming porcelain with unmatched elegance.